Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Waze EV route highlights with charging stops. Open the Waze app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in your destination and select it from the drop-down list. After your destination is set, tap on the Routes button. Here, you will see different route options. Select your preferred route. Now, tap on the EV icon to enable electric vehicle mode. This option allows Waze to show EV-specific information. Next, look for the settings icon in the top left corner. Tap on Settings to open the Options menu. Scroll down and select Driving Preferences. Toggle on the Avoid Toll Roads and Avoid Highways options if desired. Then, scroll further down to find EV charging stations. Make sure this option is enabled to display charging stops along your route. Return to your map screen. Waze will now automatically highlight EV charging stations on your route. As you navigate, keep an eye on the suggested charging stops along the way. You can click on any charging station to see more details. This information includes charging speed, availability, and distance. Now you're ready to hit the road with Waze optimized for your electric vehicle journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.